Welcome to the Fitness Industry News for June the 17th, 2026. I'm your host, Chantal Brodrick. Coming up in today's episode, global industry organisations call for structured exercise to be embedded into GLP-1 and weight loss care. KΑYA Health Clubs opens its largest location at Chadstone Shopping Centre. World Gym Corporation Taiwan reports record high May revenue. Australia's first men's health envoy, Repacholi, highlights key opportunities during Men's Health Week. Exercise New Zealand calls on men across New Zealand to rethink their strength training. The Healthy Ageing Summit highlights the power of collaboration. And Philip Mills urges the fitness community to support UNICEF's Workout for the World. All of those stories and more coming up in today's show. The Fitness Industry News is brought to you by Australasian Leisure Management and proudly supported by AUSactive and Exercise New Zealand. This episode is thanks to Perfect Gym, the all-in-one cloud-based management software designed to automate operations, memberships, and marketing for fitness clubs. Find out more at perfectgym.com. The booming global demand for GLP-1 therapies like Ozempic, Wegovy and Mounjaro may be overlooking a $1.4 billion opportunity, according to new multinational research conducted with FTI's Consulting Centres for Healthcare Economics and Policy. The findings have prompted AUSactive, Exercise New Zealand, the Health and Fitness Association, HFA Foundation, UK Active and the Fitness Industry Council of Canada to call on policymakers to formally embed structured exercise into GLP-1 treatment and weight loss care. The study found that combining GLP-1 medications with regular exercise could reduce weight regain, prevent hundreds of serious health events, and in Australia alone, generate $182 million in health and economic value over the next decade, growing to $1.4 billion over 30 years. It could also help prevent more than 1,100 knee replacements, 600 hip replacements, and hundreds of heart attacks, strokes, and heart failure cases. The research comes as chronic disease now consumes $98 billion of Australia's annual health spend, while 2 in 3 adults and 1 in 4 children are overweight or obese. To read the story in full, go to ausleisure.com.au. Melbourne boutique wellness brand KΑYA Health Clubs has opened its third and most expansive location at Melbourne's Chadstone Shopping Centre, bringing a full-service fitness and recovery offering to one of Australia's highest traffic retail destinations. Australia's first special envoy for men's health, Repacholi, has used Men's Health Week, the 15th to the 21st of June, to encourage Australian men and boys to prioritise their health and well-being and start conversations that could save lives. Drawing on his elite sporting background and role as federal member for Hunter, Repacholi has highlighted 4 key focus areas: encouraging men to visit their GP, improving First Nations men's health, increasing bowel cancer awareness, and promoting better sexual health in the LGBTIQ+ community. The 2026 Healthy Ageing Summit, recently held on the Gold Coast, has reinforced a message the Healthy Ageing Institute has been promoting for years. Healthy ageing cannot be addressed through a single profession, intervention, or perspective. The summit brought together exercise professionals, allied health practitioners, health coaches, researchers, educators, industry leaders, and members of the public to explore what it truly means to help people create better ageing together. While each session offered a different perspective, a common theme emerged throughout the summit: everything is interconnected. Planet Fitness Australia has supported the launch of Team Townsville in partnership with Aussie Athlete Fund, Townsville City Council and North Queensland Sports Foundation. The initiative will support 10 exceptional local athletes across sports including BMX, rugby union, athletics, swimming, cycling and para-athletics, helping remove the financial barriers that often come with chasing elite sport. Wagga Leisure is undertaking a staged upgrade of its workout gym change rooms and weights area aimed at improving access, comfort and equipment quality for all patrons of the facility. As the exclusive supplier for KAYSA equipment in Australia, Life Fitness Australia has officially launched the new KAYSA Australia website, creating a faster, more streamlined digital experience for customers across commercial fitness, rehabilitation and high-performance training. With Men's Health Week running from the 15th to the 21st of June, Exercise New Zealand is encouraging men to prioritise their mental well-being and reminding New Zealanders that regular physical activity remains one of the most accessible and evidence-based ways to support positive mental health. World Gym Corporation, Taiwan's largest fitness operator and owner of the global World Gym brand, has announced that its consolidated revenue for May 2026 reached US $31.6 million, representing a 2.58% increase from the previous month and a 7.26% growth compared to the same period last year, setting a new record for monthly revenue. Joanne Finkelstein, the founder of Expro Fitness Summit and Festival, has been awarded the Health and Fitness Acknowledgement Award for the WA Fitness Event Organiser of the Year, recognising her contribution to innovation, community building and industry development within Western Australia's fitness sector. The 2026 Expro Fitness Summit and Festival is being held at Scarborough Beach Precinct on the 13th and 14th of November. Vigor Media has been named a winner at the International Digital Health Awards 2026, taking out the publication magazine category for its digital workplace health and wellbeing magazine. And finally this week, Philip Mills, the Managing Director of Les Mills, has announced that on the 20th of June, hundreds of Les Mills clubs and partner gyms across New Zealand and around the world will take part in Workout for the World, a global activation bringing together tens of thousands of gym goers to support UNICEF's emergency response work for children and families in crisis. The initiative is aiming to raise US $1 million, building on the more than US $2 million that Les Mills has already raised for UNICEF. In 2026, they're taking that support to the next level with Workout for the World, their biggest activation yet. For those who are wanting to participate and support Workout for the World, go to lesmills.com/Workout for the World. Thank you for joining me for this week's episode of the Fitness Industry News. To read the full stories featured today, just head to ausleisure.com.au. You can listen and subscribe to the Fitness Industry News on Spotify, Apple Podcasts and YouTube. Just search Fitness Industry News and hit follow or subscribe. If you have news to share or if you'd like to comment on any of today's stories or other industry updates, leave us a comment below or email us at leisure@ausleisure.com.au. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next week.